Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best nesting end tables that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Simpli Home Acadian Wood Nesting End Table, Black. The Simpli Home brand is well known in regards to the best nesting end tables. It has produced many varieties, but this one is one of the best rated from the brand. It comes in a rich black finish for extra lushness and features a protective nitrocellulose (NC) lacquer for reliability and longevity. The super smooth finish simplifies cleaning and maintenance, whereas the solid wood construction assures the user of long-lasting service. The unit has tapered legs for better stability and support and has been handcrafted for reliability. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Coavas Nesting End Coffee Table, set of 3, brown. This set of 3 nesting end coffee tables combines elegance, reliability, and functionality. The brown-colored tables can be placed in different locations at home or office and is made from high-quality wood where the legs are constructed from metal. It comprises of triangular top and a smooth surface for easy cleaning and elegance. The 3 pieces can be stacked together for space saving and easy carrying or storage. Assembling the coffee tables takes a short time and can be accomplished by people who have little skills. At number 3, we have the STNDRD 3-legged bamboo end table, 1 pack. The STNDRD end table has been featured in many reviews and magazines. This is credited to its stylishness and elegance that makes it a good choice for many people. The round coffee table features 3 legs and brings out a modern contemporary appeal. It has a light color and is made of real bamboo for strength and authentic appeal. The environmentally friendly table is long-lasting and strong thanks to the use of high-quality bamboo. At number 2, we have the Ashley Signature Design Vennilux Nesting End Table, gray-brown. This Vennilux end table comes in a grayish-brown color and should be perfect for any decor, whether modern or traditional. It measures 24 W x 24 D x 23 H inches and requires little space, hence perfect for small spaces. The unit features a strong metal frame for good support, easy maintenance, and reliability, and has a smooth, easy-to-clean tabletop. Other than the home, this end table can also be used in the office. And finally, at number 1, we have the Monarch Specialties I-3025 Nesting End Table, glossy white, chrome metal, 2-piece. This nesting end table set by Monarch Specialties should be what you are looking for. Maybe you want it for your home, office, or as a gift for somebody. Well, considering how classy and elegant it looks, thanks to the glossy white chrome and modern design, you can be certain it will complement the surrounding and the environment as well. The set comprises 2 tables that feature chrome metal X styled base for support and a glossy white tabletop for balance and the modern look. You can also use the set as an accent piece or display unit. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.